Good morning, folks. We've got an event coming up on the 1st of July. I'm going to offer to the public, free of charge, a tour of this Mittleider garden. It'll be on the 1st of July from 7 to 10, and I will be here working in the garden. You can come and tour the garden on your own, or you can stop me and ask me any question that you'd like. I would be available to walk you through and show you what I've got and explain how and why we do these things in our garden. You don't have to spend a lot of money to bring in amazing soil. You can grow an amazing garden in the soil that you have in your yard right now. You can have these kind of results in your own property, and the Mittleider method is how we do that. If you're interested in seeing the garden and asking questions and don't know where the garden is, again, it's in Kidder, Missouri, reach out to me and I'll help to coordinate. I don't think that I'll do another one of these events this year. I know this is kind of short notice. I have announced it in Facebook, but I've not announced it here on my YouTube channel yet. Tomatoes, beans. In the background you can see my corn, got a bed of potatoes and then cucumbers there. I hope to see you here. Until then, happy gardening.